I'm Karen Dillman, pattern designer, long-arm quilter, and educator, and I want to tell you what I love about the APQS Ellie on the Halo frame. Ellie's hoop frame is called the Halo, and it has a small footprint that makes her perfect for tight spaces. If you want a built-to-last quilting machine that fits in your office, your spare bedroom, garage, or even your RV, the Ellie with the Halo frame is your winning combination. Ellie fits in small homes like my apartment and gives you the ability to quilt professionally or just for fun in whatever space you have. Despite the compact frame, Ellie is a true long arm, built in America to the highest quality standards and backed by a lifetime warranty. The Halo frame's convenient height adjustment allows you to lower the frame so you can sit to quilt or set a comfortable height to stand for quilting. Like all APQS machines, Ellie is simple to use and simple to maintain. And if you ever need it, the top-rated APQS customer service department is at the ready. Whether you're a hobbyist crafter or a professional long armer, I think you'll love the versatility, convenience, quality, and affordability of the APQS Ellie on the Halo frame.